Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a very unique and special recipe that I have just created in 15 minutes, and it was a very impromptu recipe because I was craving pad thai very badly and it did not had all the ingredients at home. So I just came up with this recipe with all the available vegetables at home, and it turned out so well that I'm definitely sure that you're going to love this recipe. So without any further ado, let's get started with this recipe of crunchy peanut noodles. So we will take some oil in a wok and just heat it. And on a separate stove, I have kept one pot water for boiling, and I have added a little bit of salt in it. Then to the wok, we will add some scallions. These are green onions or scallions. We will lightly mix this, and we don't need to actually cook it for a long time. Then I'm also adding some jalapeno or green chilies. I'm just taking 1/4 of green chili here, and this is very mild and not very spicy. And my little helper is also there to help me on that day, and I'm also teaching her all the vegetables. So here goes some green bell pepper. This is one big green bell pepper. And then I will be adding some asparagus. Like, I like to add a lot of vegetables in my recipes. Like, whatever I will have in my refrigerator, I try to incorporate that. And I'm also adding some mushrooms here because it also tastes very good in noodles. If you have never tried adding mushrooms, you should definitely try that. And to the boiling water, I'm adding 2 packs of noodles. These are rice and millet noodles, that is of Lotus brand. And you can easily get these noodles at Costco, but I believe if you are not a Costco member, then you might also get it at other grocery stores. And now I'm adding a little bit of black pepper here. And on that day, I had some leftover salad packet, so I'm just adding those veggies here. Basically, this salad packet contains cabbage, carrot, celery and some cilantro, but if you have these vegetables at your hand, then you can also add that. Now lightly cook it for another 1 to 2 minutes, and meanwhile we will prepare the dressing for the noodles. So for the dressing, I am taking 1 tablespoon of nutso, or you can also take peanut butter. So nutso is a brand which contains multiple seeds and nuts, but if you don't have, then use a peanut butter. And to this I am adding 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. And to increase the acidity, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of vinegar. And now I will grate some ginger and garlic. We will now mix this gently, and to this I will now add 2 teaspoons of red Thai curry paste. And the Thai curry paste that I'm using contains some chili, so it will add extra spice to your gravy. So be mindful when you are using this, and also taste this to adjust the spices according to your kids. But for elders, I believe it was not too spicy, and you can adjust the spice by adding some agave syrup or maple syrup, which I have also done in this recipe. Now I am back to my veggies, and now I will add this gravy on all the vegetables. And to thin the gravy, I'm just using a little bit of water and just thinning the gravy. And now I will mix all of this nicely. And here I thought that my vegetables were very well cooked, and I wanted some more vegetables in the noodles. So I went ahead and added some more salad mix to this recipe so that I can increase the vegetables in this recipe. So by actually adding more vegetables here, we are making the noodles more crunchier and increasing the crunchiness factor of these noodles. So after giving it a taste test, I realized that the noodles were lacking some sweetness. So I have added 2 teaspoons of maple syrup here. But if you prefer your noodles to be on the spicier side, then you can avoid that. And now to this, I will add the boiled noodles. And since I have added salt while boiling the noodles, I am not adding any extra salt here, because in the peanut butter and in soya sauce we will also have some salt. And I will now gently mix all of this and let it cook on low flame for few minutes. Now let's move to the final garnish of this recipe. I will now add some greens of the green onion, some freshly chopped cilantro leaves, and if you like, then you can also add some lime or lemon juice here. So here you go guys, your simple crunchy peanut noodles are ready. And this recipe is very different. I'm sure you must have not tried peanuts in your noodle like this before. So I will highly recommend you to try this recipe. And in case if you have some crushed peanuts, then you can also top it here on this dish, and it will taste extra yum. And it reminds me of pad thai noodles, although it is not pad thai itself, but I will definitely tell you guys to try this recipe, because I was not disappointed a bit after making this recipe. So in case you like this recipe and you would like to see more such recipes like this, then please subscribe to my channel. I post one new video every week. So until next time, bye bye and take care.